Hi everyone, all can hear me. So we will continue with the magnetism that we started in the last class. So we were doing magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effects of electric current. So before everyone joins, let us quickly recapitulate what we have gone through in the previous classes. So can anyone tell me what is magnetic field line? Nitin will tell what is magnetic field line. You can even message me through the chat. Yes, Nitin, what is magnetic field line? Okay, so it is clear to all. So go through that video also once again. I'll make that by today. So let us do the questions. So after watching that, then you all can attempt the questions from the modules. Then it will be more good. But let us discuss these questions. So let us continue after you watch that video only. Let us play Kahoot. So everyone will log in. I just share the pin. So everyone will open. Okay, everyone will join with this pin. So everyone will join quickly. Okay, we will start now. What we should remove? One aim, that means which name, which one, which name you want to remove? So you want to join once. Where is that? Who is this one? Come with your real name, guys. So last 10 seconds, we will start. Okay, so let us start. The strength of magnetic field depends on the magnitude of strength of magnetic field depends on the magnitude of electric current. So option B will be the right one. Strength of magnetic field. So magnetic field lines, it will not depend on magnetic field lines. We saw today it depends on the density of magnetic field lines or the number of magnetic field lines, right? So just on field lines, it will not depend. Okay, yes, I am looking at the answers on the chat as well who could not connect. Let us start again. The direction of magnetic field depends on the direction of current. So of course, the direction of magnetic field line will depend on the direction of current. We saw just now that on reversing the direction of current, the magnetic poles gets changed. Okay, so I can look at the chat as well. Okay, moving to the next one. Magnetic field is a scalar quantity. Is it true or false? Magnetic field is a scalar quantity. And that is right. Magnetic field is a vector quantity. It is false. Guys, magnetic field ka direction. We have been interested in finding out the direction since the start. Using right hand thumb rule, we get a proper direction of magnetic field line. So it is a scalar quantity, vector quantity, right? Because scalar means only magnitude will be there, no direction will be there. Okay, no problem guys, जिस जिस नाम से खेलना है खेलते जाओ. Let us move to the next one. ये ये कौन आ, अच्छा इसको अभी भी तो निकाल सकते हैं, निकाल दिया. Okay, now it's fine. So let's start with the next one. The magnetic force can be experienced even out of the magnetic field. That's right. This is false. Moving to the next one. Okay, let us see now. Good guys, all of you. So let us play one more. एक और खेल लेते हैं. So let us play this quickly. Quickly we will finish it up. And we will not take more than 1 minute to join. Quickly guys, last 30 seconds we will start. 5107922. Chalo, let us start. Last 10 seconds. ये कौन ज्वाइन कर लिया? चलो कोई बात नहीं, खेल लो अब. लेट अस स्टार्ट गाइस, ओके. So magnetic field lines are curves, closed loops, lines, and all of the above. All of the above definitely नहीं होगा. It will be closed loop, right? As I said, magnetic field lines emerge from north, go towards south, and do not end here. They again continue. So ये देखो, ये loop बनाना, और हर point पे direction भी है. So it's a vector quantity. Okay, so B will be right one. Next. Very good Bhavani, and Indian as well. Chalo, next one. No two field lines can cross each other. Very simple as well. No two field lines can cross each other. And that's right. This is true. We will not see that at any point two magnetic field lines cross each other, right, Vikas, as well. Okay, next one. Iron filings near the bar magnet align themselves along a straight line, a loop, the field lines. NOTA. What is this NOTA? It's very strange option. You can leave this D. So here both these options were right. So they will align themselves in a loop. as well as along the direction of magnetic field lines. ये सही है, none, NOTA, none of the above. Good, good. So great, everyone. Rest all, we will continue in the next class, and I will post that video today on the YouTube. So I hope you are all aware about the channel. Complete thing about this magnetism, complete chapter, the thing which we have not covered as well, वो सब मैं upload कर दूंगा. So you have to watch that, and let's continue. All right, bye everyone.